Are you caught in a values trap? I know I was. What do I mean? I mean, if you're valuing sales, business, the economy, stimulus packages, employment, if you're valuing those things right now above your health, you're caught in a values trap. Robert Pirsig, in his 1974 classic philosophical novel, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, gave a fabulous example of a values trap. He talked about the South Indian monkey trap. And I found an example, not quite exactly the same, but what Pirsig talked about was the villagers taking a coconut, hollowing it out, putting a hole in the coconut just big enough for the monkey to get its hand through, chaining that to a tree, and then putting some bait, some fruit or some nuts, that kind of thing, inside the coconut. The monkey would come along, grab the bait, and then be unable to let go while the villagers came along and killed the monkey. And that's what we're doing if we're not valuing our health, our lives, the lives of our community at the moment. So what we need to do, we just value our health and our lives and everybody around us, work together. It's probably going to take a few months, but the business will come back. So don't fall for the values trap. Make sure you're valuing the health of your community. Participate. Go out and help in your community if you have something valuable to offer. Otherwise, stay at home. I'm Mike Adams.